Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about CTI Biopharma, and this one is listed in US stock exchange. So this particular company has been listed in lots of other stock exchanges as well, but I am discussing the stock which is listed in US stock exchange. So this is the daily chart. So understand this, you have some volatile moves on the up as well as on the downside here, but as you can see that probably the stock is taking some sort of support here. Okay, and this is your big support if it breaks the current level. So this is the entire range. This is the entire range here, and as you can see that the stock has taken a support at 1.003. Okay, and if this support level breaks, then you have your next support at 0.7, and then you have your next support at 0.06. Now looking at this current trend, what you can find here is if this support level holds, then the stock could probably move towards the upper end of the range, which is 1.9. So there are other levels as well which will come in between, like 1.44 or 1.18, but looking at the levels in absolute terms, it is hardly a dollar move. So obviously with this kind of swings, if this support level holds, current support level, then the stock could reach $1.9 on the upside, but if it breaks, then you have 0.7 and probably 0.6 on the lower end of the range. Now this is so what you can see here, this is about the daily chart, but looking at the trend, and if you squeeze the chart a bit here, okay, if you squeeze this chart, let me just, so here what you can see that the stock is probably, or the current share price which you can see here, let me just delete all these things so that you can probably go back in the video and check out the level. But here if you see, in the last 5 years the stock has been falling, so it's a bear trending chart, so it's a bear market chart. Here you can see the levels here which will definitely acts as a resistance, and you have your support levels. Okay, here you have your support levels here, and you have your resistance level. Okay, so here you can see how the trend has shaped up. So although the stock maybe looks like that it is in some sort of uptrend, but just try to look at the bigger picture, and what you can find here is probably the stock uh, is just in a bounce back phase or bounce back mode, and if it is successful, then it will probably leads to some sort of level which is near to $2 on the upper end of the range. But if it fails to do so, then the problem would be very big. So you should be very much aware about the positions which you want to take. So I have already explained you this level. Okay, 1.95 or 1 point, you can consider simply as $2. Okay, on the lower side you have your support at 1.03, then you have your next support at 0.6, and if it falls below that, then you have 0.3, and further there are no limitation if the trend has broken on the downside. On the upside, if the $2 mark holds, then because the way the stock has fallen, so you could probably see a very big upside. Okay, but here you can see if the stock holds above $2, then it would probably move towards $5. Simply, it's just a means doubling kind of move which you can see. But these all are simply a bounce back. Okay, so understand this: the bounce back could be very fast, very swift, but always keep your support levels ready and trail it accordingly, because there are risks which you need to consider. And if you do not consider that, it would be a very big problem, because stocks where it has been falling from multiple years and you could suddenly see lots of consolidations and bounce back. Here also it is an example here that the stock has been consolidating from 2016 to 18 until it falls again and again started consolidating. So this is the thing which is already available in the stock. So be very much aware about the trend and just understand what the risk you are taking to earn the short term gain. So here let me tell you one more thing, that you can see here that above $2 there is again a level at 2.5. Now this 2.5 is very important. Why? Because this 2.5 is nothing but the support level where the stock spend its time from 2016 to 18. So this will definitely acts as a resistance level. So this 2 to 2.5 will definitely becomes the resistance level or resistance zone. If the stock moves above 2.5, then we are talking about 5.5. Anyhow, the thing is, if the stock moves very sharply on the upside, if it won't, it doesn't matter. What does matter, that risk persists in this stock with a very high amount of, the degree of risk is very high. So always think about the risk first, then consider that how much, then think and ask yourself that how much risk you want to take and how much risk is suitable for you. Okay, so if you have these answers, then place your trades accordingly, put your stop losses, and do not just jump with all your guns and thinking that something miraculous will happen. Then in that case, you are just considering, it's a situation where you are flipping a coin in the air and thinking that the this will be in my favor, but the probability there will definitely be a 50-50 chance. Okay, so do not just simply do like that. Here you have opportunity to save your losses, and if you are earning something, then also you can trail your stop loss accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.